Hi Libra, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pero inyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Okay. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Libra. Sa mga nagtatanong, all my readings are timeless. Naglalabas po ako ng mga readings for all signs every week. One for guidance or gabay and one for love and romantic situation. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Libra. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you. Ano yung mga energies or mensahe para sa mga Libra? Ooh. Okay. Ano? Merong casket. Someone going out of your life or the end of a situation. Okay. Merong pagtatapos sa inyong sitwasyon, sa trabaho man, sa relasyon. Okay. Sa mga dealings mo with people. Yeah, like relationship. Okay. Merong someone na aalis sa life mo. That is for some of you. They're thinking about it. Okay? Or ikaw to, Libra. Okay? May aalisan kang sitwasyon. You are moving forward. Dog, close up. Pleasure with a close friend. Okay? You're having good times with your close friend. Okay? For some of you, you are spending time with friends. Cup. You should accept valid criticism. Okay. Defend yourself. Protect yourself. Libra. Yeah. And choose your battles wisely. Okay. Wishbone. A wish is granted. Okay. Marriage. Yeah. Merong concern or issues about marriage. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo. Yeah. A wish is granted. Maybe in marriage. Merong ikakasal. Merong proposal na mangyayari. Okay. First, pay attention to your finances. Okay. Check your finances from time to time. Maybe kailan mo rin i-monitor ang inyong mga gastos. Okay. Mga expenses ninyo. Don't spend on unnecessary things for some of you. Okay? Hinay-hinay lang. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, may kailangan kayong ayusin sa inyong finances, sa inyong kaperahan. Yung iba, if you are planning about investing, okay? Pag-isipan ng mabuti. Yeah. Let's see kung ano yung messages from the tarot, please, for Libra. Libra. Ano yung mga mensahe for Libra, please? Messages or ano yung mga gabay? Okay. Gabay for Libra. Messages and energies. Gabay for Libra. Page of Cups. Okay, you feel good, Libra, when it comes to your relationship. Okay, if you have a child, younger, you have a good relationship with that child. Okay, or with someone that is younger than you. Okay. For some of you, you are dealing with a Scorpio, King of Cups, water sign. Okay. There is immaturity in the situation. Okay. Someone needs to, someone needs to hear from you. Okay? Okay, merong disalignment, okay? Emotional distance between the two of you. Okay? May kailangan kang, may kailangan kang i-balance sa inyong sitwasyon. Maybe this is a relationship, okay? May kailangan kang harapin na situation, Libra. May kailangan kang ayusin. And for some of you, you are just waiting for the right timing. Okay? Para ayusin ang isang sitwasyon. Yes. Yeah. You need to consider the feelings of the other person, Libra. Okay. Changes, sudden change. May magbabago sa sitwasyon. Merong ending, okay? Parang unexpected ang situation na to, Libra. Yes. Yeah. Merong changes sa sistema, okay? This is a significant change na kinakailangan mangyari sa sitwasyon. It is something that will give closure in the situation for some things to move forward, okay? Yeah. Some of you, merong travel, okay? May kailangan kang ayusin, Libra, okay? And prepare for some changes. Queen of Pentacles. You feel joy, there is pride and happiness. Maybe you're dealing also with an earth sign, a Capricorn, okay? Earth signs are Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn. Queen of Pentacles, Capricorn, okay? A mother. Merong wish fulfillment in this situation, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you're thinking about iniisip mo na maging kind ka din or i-consider mo yung situation of this person. Nag-iisip ka na kailangan mong mag-spend time with someone and to make things balance, na maging maayos ang sitwasyon. Yeah, for some of you, you are dealing with two persons. Okay? You need to balance the situation. You need to manage your time para maging maayos. Okay? Walang problema, walang gulo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, ang dami nyong ginagawa. May mga gastusin kayo or expenses. Okay? You are managing your budget or your money well. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, may pinag-iisipan kayo na pagkakagastusan. Nagdadalawang isip ka, but this is something that will make you happy. It's going to be a wish come true for you. Okay? Merong pag-uusap or planning about a situation. Someone is moving on. Okay? Someone is moving forward. Okay? moving on sa situation. Kasi hindi na siya masaya sa sitwasyon. Parang it seems na walang patutunguhan. Okay? Yan. Someone is going for his or her dream sa goals niya in life. Going to something meaningful, more meaningful. Okay? Yeah. Merong pag-uusap, but it seems that someone is not that interested anymore. Kasi mas may kailangan atupagin or harapin. Okay? Na mas fulfilling para sa kanya. Okay. The Empress. Some truth will be revealed. Okay. Okay. Someone will be following his or her dreams. About creativity, businessman to. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo magkakaroon na ng clarity sa inyong sitwasyon and you are moving forward. Okay. You are victorious sa inyong ginagawa. In your creative endeavor, pwedeng passion project mo to, business. Okay. Yeah. Creative projects. You are independent. You feel good about it, about the situation. Magkakaroon ng solusyon. Okay? Magkakaroon ng clarity. You are taking a chance on something. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you will have to decide on something. Merong stalemate sa relationship. Walang movement. Walang kibuan. Okay? May kailangan kang desisyon na gagawin, Libra, when it comes to your love and relationship for some of you. Okay? You are thinking about giving love to someone. Pinag-iisipan mo, itutuloy ko pa ba to or hindi? Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga blessings, okay? Blessing na parating. Okay. Yeah. For some, merong resurgence of love. Okay? Someone is going to take a chance on someone. Okay? Merong clarity. You are moving forward. You feel good about the situation, Libra. Okay? But merong situation in some areas of your life na kailangan mo pagtuunan ng pansin, kailangan mo pagdesisyonan, okay? You don't want to see the reality. Despite sa happiness or independence na meron kayo ngayon, meron kang something na hindi mo binibigyan ng atensyon or ini-ignore mo, okay? Pero alam mo, deep inside you, na may kailangan kang harapin na desisyon or may kailangan kang desisyon na gagawin. Okay? Libra. Yeah. Okay? Yes. Clearly, nagja-juggle ka. Okay? Two situations or maybe two persons. Okay, decisions for some of you about purchasing something, okay? Iniisip mo yun. Ano ba ang tama kong gawin? Anong pwede kong gawin? Okay. Kailangan ng pag-uusap. Kailangan ng clarity. Okay. But it seems na yung pag-uusap na yun is something na will not be on your favor, or it will just make someone to move on. Kung ano man tong pag-uusap na to, Libra, okay? Yeah. You have to deal with the situation with kindness and understanding. Maging malawak ang inyong pag-iisip. Okay? Palawakin ninyo ang inyong pag-iisip if you are going to make a decision. Okay? Your future is at stake. Nakadepende din yung future mo sa kung ano man tong desisyon na kailangan mong gawin ngayon, Libra. It may be sa work to, okay? You need balance sa relasyon mo or sa personal life mo, okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo may mga unexpected opportunities, no? Napaparating. Yes. Blessings or offers. Yeah. Pero pag-iisipan mo pa pag-iisipan mo. Okay? You need to have clear thinking, Libra. Before you make action or decision. Okay? Maging matalino sa inyong desisyon. Yeah. For some of you, you're going to take a chance on someone because you've learned some truth, meron ng clarity, and you are going to take a risk, Libra, about the situation. Okay? Yes. You're not also sure kung mapipigay mo ba yung buong oras mo at panahon sa isang person. Okay? That's why you are going to make a decision. Okay? Kailan mong harapin yung realidad, Libra. Okay? Stop procrastinating. Okay? Maging fair sa situation. Just don't think about yourself alone. Okay? Just take what resonates. Okay? Kung ano lang yung... These are the energies. Just take what resonates for you. Okay? Pwedeng it's the other way around yung situation. Okay? This is a general reading. So, ang daming energies. Okay? Yeah. Ang daming mga bagay na nagka-cloud sa isip ninyo. Okay? You need to be confident, trust yourself or your intuition, okay? You need to have a clear mind. May kailangan kang pagdesisyonan. Ang daming sa isip mo, parang ang negative, okay? Madami kang isinaalang-alang. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, you are thinking about moving forward on someone or yes. Yeah. Feeling mo parang if mag-move forward ka or i-push through mo ang someone, okay? Parang you're not sure kung magiging victorious ka ba dito or hindi. You are going towards someone but you are not sure kung magiging successful ka or hindi, or gagawin mo ba to or hindi. Okay? But clearly you want someone, Libra. Yes, and kung gagawa ka ng desisyon, magpadalos-dalos, pag-isipan ng mabuti. Okay? You want to rush to someone, you want to be successful but you are not sure. You're not sure also to express it or to move forward. Okay? You're on your head. Ang dami mong iniisip. Okay? Yeah. May fears. May doubts. You're not sure. Okay. Anyway, so tingnan natin. Kung ano yung message for you, Libra. Okay. Make a decision. Be confident. Believe in yourself also when it comes to work. Ayan. Or sa career mo. Sa finances mo. Okay. For some of you, may mga naisip ka na brilliant ideas about creativity, maybe a business, personal project mo to, creative project. You want to launch, you want to do it, you want to launch it, you want to do it, okay? But the challenge is you need support, you need time also para magawa mo yon. And it is something na napapaisip ka na naman, okay? Kung ano yung magandang gawin, kung ano yung gagawin mo, okay? For Libra, please, ano yung message? Spirit message for Libra. Go back to the heart of who you truly are. There you will find peace. Look at your life in its entirety. Acknowledge any old wounds and then release them. Use what they taught you as added strength. Keep moving forward with a renewed sense of confidence. Okay. That's the message for you. Parang validation ng inyong reading, Libra. Let's see, paano pa yung message from the angel number. Message from the angel, please. Through numbers for Libra. Okay, Libra. 111. If you keep saying the number 111, this is the message for you. Angels are ready to fully support you in this endeavor so that you can co-create with the universe a life you love. I am creative. Yes, you are a creative person, okay? You have a lot of ideas, good ideas, Libra. So believe in yourself. Okay, be confident. Okay, may mga kailangan kang desisyon na gagawin sa buhay mo, sa work mo, sa personal life or relationship. Okay? So these are the messages for you, Libra. Maraming salamat sa iyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!